I'm going to make a quick statement, answer a couple of questions, and then Mr. Busby and Botsford will then be available to make a statement as well. So, as Governor, I took an oath to faithfully uphold the Constitution of Texas, a pledge that I have kept every day on behalf of the Texans that I've worked for the last 14 years. That same Constitution clearly outlines the authority of any governor to veto items at his or her discretion. I'm here today to restate the lawful constitutional authority of a governor to use his or her veto authority. I stand behind my authority, and I would do it again. I stand behind that veto, and I would make that veto again. The special prosecutor's actions in this legal process are not valid due to multiple failures to comply with constitutional and statutory requirements. Exercising proper jurisprudence is not a technicality. It is a requirement essential for the rule of law. And it is important to fight for that rule of law, not only in this case, but for future governors of the state of Texas. I'll be happy to answer a couple of questions.
Governor Perry, to what extent is this proceeding weighing on any future plans that you may have, obviously a potential presidential run?
Listen, I'm going to go through with the process. We multitask rather well, as I have for lots of years, and it is part of the rule of law. I respect that. I'm going to follow it. But from the standpoint of deflecting me from doing my duties as governor or any other responsibilities or, for that matter, activities that might be involved in, it is not.
Governor, what are your thoughts about the proceeding today and what's the argument your defense are?
Well, I'm gonna ask Mr. Busby and Mr. Botsford to share with you the technicalities of it. I'm required by the rule of law to be here today. I respect that, and I'm going to follow the instructions and the appropriate constitutional and statutory requirements for me as a private citizen.
Governor Perry, judging from today, this appears this could be a somewhat lengthy process. How much of your time is this taking?
Well, again, I'm able to multitask pretty good. So the question is, am I able to get my work done, which I am. Over the last 6 months, we've had multiple issues of pretty major size and scope to deal with, whether it was securing the border of Texas and Mexico with our law enforcement and our National Guard troops, or whether it's been dealing with the issue of Ebola. So I think we have handled all those rather well, as we have this legal proceeding that's going on. So I don't have any question about being able to multitask and to get things done. With that, let me turn it over.
What was your reaction